In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to find Clock app that's already on your device and use clock icon at the top on the left. Now, to firstly manage options for all of your new alarms, not the already existing ones, but all of the ones you will create, use those three dots on the right and select Settings. Then start with Volume. Over here you can decide if you want to set different volume for each alarm or use same volume for all of them. If you want to use the same one, adjust it here thanks to this slider. Go back, click on Alarm Background and create it for all of your new alarms. Tap on Background at the top left corner and choose Allow All. Now, you can either pick one of those and hit Done, or you can, or you can click on any photo you like and use it as your alarm background. It's called Custom Alarm Background. When you're ready, hit Done. Lastly, choose Upcoming Alarm Notification, and if you want to receive notifications before your alarm, pick one of those options, 5 minutes, 15 or 30. If you don't, select Off. Go back, and with all of those options adjusted, we can create new alarm by tapping on this plus icon right next to three dots. As you can see, my changes were successfully applied right away. Let's begin by setting up an hour at the top. Now, click on Days of the Week and choose Alarm Name to label it. If you want to switch off all of those options, use those switches next to them. You can switch them on the same way. If you decided you do want to use them, click on each one on the left. Let's start with Sound. If you decided that you want to adjust volume for all of your alarms separately, here you will do that by operating slider I showed you before. Now, pick one of those sound sources, like Spotify, just log in and use your music from it, or ringtone. After tapping on ringtone first time, choose Allow. Now, you can enable or disable those two options, read time and alarm name out loud, and gradually increase volume. If you want to pick any song from your smartphone as an alarm one, use this plus at the top right corner. Decide if you want to play selected highlights, pick a song and hit Done at the top right corner. If you want to select one of those, just click on it on the list. Go back, choose Vibration, pick Synchronize with Ringtone, only works with default ones, Silent, or select one of those patterns. Then adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Go back, hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back again. Tap on Alarm Background if you want to create it here, it works the same as before. And choose Alarm Groups. Here you can create a group if you want to. And hit Create. You don't have to do that. It will only allow you manage few of your alarms you will add to the group right away, instead of managing all of them separately. Now hit Save and wait. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If I would add it to the group, I would have to click on Group here and then manage it. Now, To edit any alarm, tap on it, make changes, and choose Save. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it. And to delete it, click on it. Hold it. Then click on Delete button and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!